5 years ago, you started this business. Beat up truck and a phone that wouldn't stop ringing. Now the trucks are nicer. The crew is bigger. But every week, calls slip through. You're on a roof, under a sink, in a service van, pushing a mower, phone rings, voicemail. The homeowner calls the next contractor in Google. That missed call? $2,000 to $30,000. This is why we built Ingenious Growth Systems. Texts back every missed call in 60 seconds. Follows up every lead until it closes. Runs while you work. Runs while you sleep. Live dashboard. Booking calendar. Review request. AI voice agent. Lead pipeline. Installed in 90 minutes. One contractor per trade per city. 30-day refund if we don't recover a job. Yours is open today. Tomorrow's not promised. Check now.